Good morning everyone, Miss Rita here. Today we are going to solve chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry of class 9, problem set 7. Student, if you see the problem set, the question number 1 is given. Choose the correct alternative answer for the following question. The first one is given. What is the form of coordinate of a point on the x-axis? When any point lie on the x-axis, then the value of x coordinate will be given to you and y will be 0. So option C is the correct answer. Any point on the line y equal to x is of the form dash. It means whatever the coordinate is given for the y will equal to x means both the coordinate will be the same. It means the option A is the correct answer, A and A. A represent for the coordinate x and B represent for the coordinate y. But here it is mentioned y equal to x means both coordinates are same. So option A is the correct answer. Third one is given. What is the equation of the x-axis? So equation of the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So the option B is the correct answer. Now student, the fourth one is given. In which quadrant does the point -4, -3 lie? Here both the coordinates are negative. It may lie in the quadrant third. What is the nature of the line which include the points -5, 5, 6, 5, -3, 5, 0 and 5? If you see in all the points y coordinate is same. It means the line will be parallel to the x-axis. Which of the point P -1, 1, Q is given 3, -4, point R is given 1, -1, S is given -2, -3, T is given -4 and 4 lie in the fourth quadrant? The fourth quadrant, the x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. So here point Q has the x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative, and point R also x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So our correct option is point Q and R, that is the option B. Now student, the question number 2, it is given some points are shown in the figure 7.11. With the help of this it answer the following questions. By observing this figure, we have to answer the following question. The first question is given. Write the coordinate of the point Q and R. If you see the point Q x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate is 2. And point R, x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is -1. So write the coordinate of the point Q and R. The second one is given. Write the coordinate of the point T and M. Same with the point T is given on the y-axis. It means x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate is -1. Point M is given on the x-axis. It means x coordinate is given 3 and y coordinate will be 0. Now the third one is given. Which point lies in the third quadrant? If you see the third quadrant, the point S is there. So point S lies in the third quadrant. The fourth one is given. Which are the point whose x and y coordinates are equal? That is the origin. In the origin, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is also 0. Understood? Now question number 3. Without plotting the points on a graph, state in which quadrant or on which axis do the following points lie. Whenever we do this type of question, you have to imagine the quadrant when we are making x-axis and y-axis, and the quadrant work anti-clockwise. The first quadrant, both coordinate will be positive. In second quadrant, x will be negative, y will be positive. In the third quadrant, both coordinate will be negative. The fourth quadrant, x will be positive and y will be negative. You have to imagine these pictures and answer the following question. The coordinates are given 5 and minus 3. X is positive, y is negative. It means lie in the fourth quadrant. Second one is given minus 7, minus 12. Both are negative, means lie in the third quadrant. Third one is given minus 23, 4. X is negative and y coordinate is given positive. It means lie in the second quadrant. Same way, the fourth one is given minus 9 and 5. It means x is negative and y is positive, lie in the quadrant 2. 0 and minus 3 is given. It means here x coordinate is given 0, y coordinate is given minus 3. If y coordinate is given means it will lie in the y axis. The last one minus 6 and 0. Here x coordinate is given and y coordinate is 0. It means lie in the x axis. Question number 4 is given. Plot the following points on one and the same coordinate system. The points are given A, B, C, D, E and F. First of all, draw the x-axis and y-axis on your graph paper. Write the scale. Now, point A is given 1 and 3. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. As we know, the horizontal line, right side of the 0 we have the positive numbers, left side of the 0 we have the negative number. Same way, in vertical line is known as the y-axis. Above the 0 the numbers are positive, below the 0 numbers are negative. Whenever we read the number, the first coordinate will be always x, second coordinate will be y. Point A is given 1 and 3. So x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. Both are positive number. It means they will lie in the first quadrant. So I have made the graph this to the right side. You can zoom and check the points. Say point B is minus 3 and minus 1. Both are negative number, means it will lie on third quadrant. So x coordinate is minus 3, y coordinate is minus 1. Point C is given 1 and minus 4. So x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 4. It means it will lie on fourth quadrant. You can see in this graph page. Point D is given minus 2 and 3. So x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. It means it will lie in the second quadrant. Now point E is given 0 and minus 8. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is given minus 8. Y coordinate is given means it will lie on y axis. So minus 8 is below the 0 with the point name E, 0 and minus 8. Point F is given 1 and 0. It means the x coordinate is given 1, y coordinate is given 0. It means it will lie on x axis because x coordinate is given and y coordinate is given 0. So 1 is positive number. It will lie to the right side of the 0. Understood? Now student, we'll move to the question number 5. The question number 5, in the graph alongside line LM is parallel to the y-axis. If you see the picture in your textbook, figure number 7.12, one graph is given. In that graph, line LM is given to the parallel y-axis. The question is asked, what is the distance of the LM from the y-axis? So line LM is parallel to the y-axis at the point 3 and 0. Here we wrote the value of x-axis, x coordinate. So here x coordinate is our 3, y will take 0 because it is parallel to the y-axis. The equation of y-axis will be what? X equal to 3, that is a positive 3 it is given here. Therefore the distance of a line LM from the y-axis is 3 units. Understood? Now student, if you see the second one, write coordinate of the points P, Q and R. So the points are given, we have to write the x coordinate first, then y coordinate second. So point P, if you see, point P x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 2. Q, if you will see, the Q x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is minus 1. For the point R is lying on the x-axis, it means x coordinate 3, y coordinate will be 0. Now, third one, what is the difference between the x coordinate of the point L and M? If you see the point L and M, the x coordinate is 3, that is the same. For the point L, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. For the point M, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is -3. So here we need to find the difference between the x coordinate of the point L and M. So for the point L, x coordinate is 3. For the point M also, x coordinate is 3. Both are same. Now, the difference we have to find means we have to subtract the x coordinate of L and M. 3 minus 3 is 0. The difference between the x coordinate of the point L and M is 0. Now, student will move to the question number 6. It is given, how many lines are there which are parallel to the x-axis and having a distance 5 units? The equation of a line parallel to the x-axis will be in the form of y equal to p. If you see the question here, it is not mentioned that the line is above or below. It means it can be above also, it can be below also. The distance given is 5 units, right? So y equal to 5 and y equal to -5 are the two lines which are parallel to the x-axis. If it is mentioned above, the here only one line can be drawn. It will be positive 5. If it is given below, also it can be drawn only one line which will be -5. But in this question nothing is mentioned. So here we can draw two lines where the y value will be positive 5 and negative 5. Now student, question number 7. If a is a real number, what is the distance between the y-axis and the x equal to a? First of all, it is given a is a real number. If a is less than 0, then x can be negative. It means -a, which will be parallel to the y-axis. Negative number means it will be left side. If a value is more than 0 means it will be positive. X equal to a will be positive, which is parallel to the y-axis. Positive number represented on the right side. It means the distance between the y-axis and the line x equal to a is a real number. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching this video.